Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nisi AI Guides, and in today's video I will be showing everyone an AI tool that instantly removes background. Now this AI tool doesn't waste your time. You are in and out in 30 seconds. Yes, that's how fast it is. Alright, now bear in mind that Photoshop can also do this, but if you are a beginner in Photoshop, you might have some kind of difficulties removing the background of complex images. And the reference image we're using today is just that, complex. Alright, now if you find this video helpful in the end, do well to like, share, subscribe. I post AI tricks, tips, hacks, guides every Friday on this channel, and you don't want to miss it. You definitely don't. Alright, now let's dive right straight into the video. So for today's video, I will make two artboards, one for Photoshop and the other for the AI, so that at the end of the video we can compare images. All right, so very quickly I will quickly name this artboard Photoshop. All right, okay, done. Good. Now I will quickly import my image. Now this is the image we're using. I got it from Freepik. All right, so let me enlarge this. Beautiful. Okay, now take a look at this image. We are definitely sure to encounter some complications while removing the background around this hair. All right, but this AI tool definitely will overcome such complications in a matter of seconds. All right, now if we're looking to remove the background of this image on Photoshop, we'll simply have to click on the image, click on select, all right, and select subject, and based on your computer, it will try to identify the subject in this image and cut her out for you. All right, so mine is done and we can see. All right, I'll quickly come over here to create a mask, and we can see this. This is the image without the background. If I zoom in with my Ctrl+ on my PC, we can see the rough edges here. It's not very smooth, and more complications here in the hair. We can definitely not use this for our design, of course, so we might need to do some more retouching and all of that here on Photoshop. But if you are like me and you don't like wasting your time, you have a lot of design projects and you really need to move really fast, we are going to set this aside, and I will show you the AI tool that can help you achieve just that. All right, so before I move on to the tool, I will duplicate this. All right, I'll duplicate it, name it AI. Okay, then I will delete this image. We don't need it. All right, we're bringing in a sharper one. Stay with me. Okay, I'll quickly turn on my data, come onto Chrome, okay, and type in Photoroom. Anyone you see, I'm going to go with Photoroom remove background. Okay, so it's loading, and you click the first one, instant background remover, and I kid you not, they are not lying. It is very instant. Okay, so I'm going to quickly open it up right here on my Windows tab, and here is the interface of Photoroom background remover. You can do a lot of things here on Photoroom. You can do a lot of things. They have a premium section. You can log in and start creating a lot of things. If you look through their free tools, you will see background remover, retouch, expand, logo, all of that. But for me, I majorly use this tool for just removing background because it is splendid for removing backgrounds. All right, so now the reason why I'm pausing here is because it usually comes up with a captcha for me to click on before I import the image. Okay, because if I try to import the image now, it simply wouldn't work. It will ask me to hold on for a captcha. You see, invalid captcha. All right, so I will just hold on for a captcha. All right, so here is the verify you are a human icon, and I'm simply going to click it to verify that I am, of course, human. So at this point now, I can come in here, drag and drop my image. Take note that this app is also it also works on mobile devices, so you can also easily use your mobile device to do this, for those of you that are phone graphic designers. All right, so Based on your internet connection, this will load, verify again that you're human. Of course, I'm human. I don't know why it doesn't. Well, it's all good. So, let's watch. Okay, now take a look at this. Now, the reason why I actually love Photoroom is one, because of the fact that it actually removes the background but doesn't really take out the quality from these images, unlike other background remover I've used in the past, and trust me, I've used a lot. All right. So, and another thing is that it has a larger, size limit. There are some background removers that tell you can't upload a file more than 5 MB. No, I made sure to download one that was a lot higher than 5 MB. This is way higher than 5 MB. Okay, so I'll scroll down. Of course, there's nothing for me to edit over here. This is really good, and I will just scroll down. All right, and click on download standard resolution. You can go on to pay for the pro version to download the higher resolution, which is really good, but I think I'm okay with the standard resolution. I always use the standard resolution. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so I will just disconnect, go back to my Photoshop here, and bring in my Photoroom image. Okay, click on download, bring it in here. All right, so expand this so that we can see it. Place it in the center. All right. Okay, now take a look at the two of them. Yeah, are we seeing a difference? Let me zoom in on our AI model. You can see smooth. Oh, this is very beautiful. This will save you a lot of time. Check out the hair. The hair is clean background removing right here. Okay, you can see it very clean. This is why I love using this app. Meanwhile, if we come over to the one for Photoshop, we can see all of this. Now, this can be removed with Photoshop. Please do not get me wrong. This can be removed with Photoshop. You can clean up these edges with Photoshop. It is actually possible, but I'm looking to save your time here. We are in the age of artificial intelligence, and its one goal is to save our time, of course. All right, so let me zoom out and you take a look at this too. Yes, there is huge difference right here. Okay, all right, so this is basically how you do it on in the matters of removing background in Photoshop. All right, then do well to like, share, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and stay tuned, because every Friday you'll be getting extra tips, extra hacks, extra guides on different AI tools that can help you have a smoother workflow. All right, until next time, I remain your humble guide, Nisi AI.